Disconnect battery charger from electrical socket and store it. Install the squeegee and fasten. Fill water tank with fresh water. Inspect the level of detergent. Place the brush or pad under the deck. Insert the operator key. Press one touch button to start the machine. Press the main button and vacuum button for 1 second to engage brush to deck. Lower the squeegee with pedal. To avoid marks on sensitive floors, the brush or pad can be pre-heated with solution. Press main button and solution button simultaneously for 10 to 20 seconds. Start cleaning by placing the hand on the touch sensor on the handlebar. Adjust the speed with the speed adjustment knob. For reverse, press the rear button on the handlebar. To change detergent flow, press the solution button for 2 seconds. Toggle the battery LED to desired setting. Press the silent mode button for extra low sound level. Press the solution button to adjust the solution flow to the cleaning needs. One cleaning job is done. Lift the squeegee and the deck. Press the main button and vacuum button for 1 second to eject brush or pad. Empty the recovery tank. Clean the debris tray and clean the recovery tank. Switch off solution valve, check and clean the filter. Turn on solution valve. Take the squeegee off, check and clean the blades. Connect battery charger to socket and park the machine, leaving the recovery tank cover open.